Now, in a major relief for commuters on the busy Delhi-Gurgaon Expressway, the toll plazas in 12 of the 16 lanes, which have always caused huge traffic snarls, will now be dismantled. This is after the legal dispute over the plazas has ended under the supervision of the Delhi High Court. Well, let's go across to Bhairavi, who joins us from where the toll plazas are. And Bhairavi, now this area has always been scenes of major traffic jams. What's it looking like this morning?
Well, Gargi, it's a good morning really for commuters on the Delhi Expressway. You can see right here the traffic is moving almost seamlessly over the last couple of hours we've been here. This was really a bottleneck for commuters. You know that the traffic used to go on for traffic jams used to go on for 2 to 3 kilometers. 2 lakh people travel on this expressway every day, and today, well, what a great scene for them really. The traffic is moving so fast, and of course, as you said, pointed out there, this after the legal tangle between the parties concerned, the Infrastructure Development Finance Company, the contractor, the Delhi-Gurgaon Super Connectivity Limited and the National Highways Authority was sorted out finally, and the Delhi High Court yesterday gave a go-ahead to scrap the toll plaza, and at midnight yesterday the toll plazas were removed on the notification of the Union Highways Ministry, and today, this morning, is a good day for commuters. Of the 16 toll booths, 4 will still be operational because they will be carrying commercial vehicles, will be plying on that. The rest of the 12, of course, have been scrapped, and this is the first time that a toll booth has been removed despite the contract not having ended, and this of course because commuters have been having such a lot of problem commuting on this road, and of course finally the Delhi High Court giving not to remove these toll booths, and the scenes really off in the sense everybody seems to be pretty happy. You spoke to some people just a short while ago. They said that their travelling time has been cut short drastically by an hour or so,
right,
because the toll booths have been scrapped. It's back to you.